As a photographer, we have understood the importance of light and how important is the light to get the correct exposure. So many times when we are going out to take photographs, we will be working with the available light or with natural light. What is the difference that the quality of light is going to make, and what should we do to get better photographs? As the light changes through the day, from dawn to dusk, our photographs are also going to be transformed. There is this golden hour that all photographers talk about, and we are advised to take a photograph during the golden hour. To find out about how the light, the available light, impacts and affects the photographs that we get, Mr. Desikan Krishnan is going to explain to us with reference to the photographs that he has taken in different locations across India, and show us how the changing nature of light through the day impacts photographs. Tell us about how natural light changes the photographs that we get, and what is the importance of taking photographs at certain times of the day.
What is the best time for outdoor photography using daylight or available light, as it is called in photography? But the quality of the light or the color temperature of the light changes right from morning, early morning, which starts around 2200 Kelvin, which is slightly reddish light. It moves on to yellow, and then it moves on to white, which is 5400 Kelvin, and then slowly it comes back to yellow again, and then to red at dusk. In between, when it is cloudy or overcast, you get a bluish tinge. So you should learn to adjust your camera according to the light which is available. The golden hour in photography, as they call, is between, let's say, 7:30 and 8:30, or 8 to 9 in the morning, or between 4:30 and 5:30 in the evening. It again depends upon the region you are shooting in and the period. In winter, sun sets in very early. Sun sets in maybe even at 4 o'clock. So you can't wait till 4:35 to do your photography. You got to do it before that. So it all depends upon the region and also the season. So we cannot, for example, say that the golden hour is, let's say, 5 to 6. No, the golden hour will differ from region to region and from season to season. So you got to understand that, you got to know that, and shoot accordingly. I'm going to show you a few photographs taken at different times of the day in different regions to help you to understand color better, not only color, but also the ideal time or the best time to shoot. But I would say, whichever region, wherever you are, always try and avoid shooting between, say, 11 a.m. and maybe around 2 p.m., where the light is at the top and you get very harsh shadows, very harsh light. So that's the time you should avoid. Any other time depends upon where your subject or the monument or the building is. That is where you have to make your choices in timing. You got to check whether the building is facing towards the east or towards the west or towards the north, and then choose your timing accordingly, or choose your time of the day accordingly. Now let's go ahead and have a look at some pictures taken at different times of the day. Lighting. Photographing outdoors in natural light at various times of the day. I am going to show you some pictures which have been shot at the wrong lighting conditions, that is at noon, and also at the right lighting condition, and you be the judge. You decide which is better. When not to take a photograph: 11:45 am, or I would say when to avoid taking a photograph. Glare everywhere, absolutely no detail, burnt grass, burnt brick, glare, what not. Everything that you shouldn't see in a photograph, you see it here. So as far as possible, avoid shooting at top light or during noon. You see the next one, 12 noon, same, washout everywhere, there is no detail. Avoid shooting if you can, again between, let us say, 10:30 and around 2:30 or 3 o'clock, again depending upon the region you are in. 10:30 12 wherever you are, 10:30 to 12 1 wherever you are, after that depending upon the region you are in and the season. 12:05, look at the shadow, look at the shadows on their face, bad, but they were here, they want to take a photograph home, thus we had to shoot. Look at the difference, 4:01, look at the difference between this and the previous pictures which you have seen. This is brilliant, look at the blue sky, look at those two workers over there, everything is well lit, beautiful colors, natural colors, and the sky is really brilliant. Now you are going to see the same photograph taken from the other side when the light is hitting the lens. There you are. The same monument from the other side, completely washed out as compared to this. This is the ideal lighting condition for this, and although shot almost at the same time, the shot from the other side, and you have lost it. Five PM, again as they say, golden hour, ideal condition, ideal lighting condition for this. There was a stupa, same thing at 5:15. If you see the reddishness has increased, look at the red here and look at the red here. And definitely as you are moving towards evening, late evening, the red has increased, and then you have the same thing shot at 12:30, bad. Look at the sky, look at the stupa, look at the pillar. So by now you know that the best time to shoot is between, let us say, 7:30 and 9:30 in the morning, and in the evening it would be between, say, 4 o'clock and 5:30. The light should be from behind the photographer, need not necessarily be at 90 degrees. It can vary from, let us say, 30 degrees down to 45, 60. A cross lighting, a lighting from, let us say, 60 or 45 degree angle is most ideally suited for landscapes. For portrait, soft light is definitely better, or a window light is definitely better. It could be at any angle between 90 and 30, but not below that, not against, unless you want to shoot a silhouette, not below 15 also, because at an angle lower than 15 degrees there are chances of some light hitting the lens. So the most ideal, I would say, for most operations would be from around a 60 degree angle, lighting from about a 60 degree angle.
In this video, we have explored the way natural light changes throughout the day and how it affects the quality of the photographs taken. The color temperature, the quality of the light, and the time that the photograph is taken all shapes the kind of photograph that we can make. We have also learnt about the preferred times to shoot where the light is more conducive for making the photograph. We are going to learn more about shooting outdoors with natural light with the help of more examples of photographs taken at different times of the day in the next video.